This looks like the place. Time to get free money.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
What brings you here today?
Free money.
Oh, are you talking about the challenge?
Yep.
Alright, follow me. Hey. Wake up. We're here. Alright, do you wanna know what the challenge is now?
Yes.
Look behind you. Your challenge is to beat him up.
Bet. Hi, kid.
Hi, mister.
Catch. Tag.
Please don't.
I did it.
So, you are under arrest.
What? No, I'm not.
Start running, fool.
Why?